School fence alignment. Problem is based on like school fence alignment. A school wants to put a straight fence passing through the three poles placed at A1, 2, B3, 6 and C5, 10. The contractor must check whether the poles are already in a straight line. Justify your answer. So here the problem is based on like collinear points. So three positions, whether they lie on the same straight line or not, we need to check them. So here I'll take A, that is 1, 2, B 3, 6 and C 5, 10. So we need to check collinear. So what I'll do, I'll find AB distance, I'll find BC and I'll find the distance between A and C. So if I'll get AB plus AC, BC, AB plus BC, if it is equal to AC, then the points are collinear. So here, first I'll find the distance between A and B. So A is 1, 2, B is 3, 6. Here I'll consider this x1, y1, x2, y2. And AB distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here if we'll calculate distance now, AB equals under root 3 minus 1 whole square plus 6 minus 2 whole square. 3 minus 1 is 4 square. Sorry, 3 minus 1 is here 2 square and 6 minus 2 is 4 square. So 2 square is 4 square is 16. So it is root 20. So root 20 we can write as root 20, you can write as 2 into 5. So it is nothing but 2 root 5. 2 root 5 units. This is AB. Now I'll find BC, distance between B and C. So that is B is 3, 6. B is 3, 6. C is 5, 10. 3, 6, 5, 10. Yes. Now here, this I'll write x1, y1, x2, y2. So distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now if I'll substitute the values here, BC under root x2 is 5 minus x1 is 3 whole square, y2 is 10 minus y1 is 6 whole square. 5 minus 3 is 2 whole square, 10 minus 6 is 4 whole square. 2 square is 4 square is 16, so root 20. Root 20 again you can write as 2 into 5, so 2 root 5 units. Now I'll find the distance between A and C. So C is 5, 10. So A is 1, 2. A is 1, 2. So I'll find the distance between A and C. So here this value is x1, y1, x2, y2. Again the distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root so distance between AC is under root. Here x2 value is 5, x1 is 1, so 5 minus 1 whole square and 10 minus 2 whole square. 5 minus 1 is 4 square, 4 whole square. 10 minus 2 is 8 and it is whole square. 4 square is 16, 8 square is 64. So 16 plus 64 is 80. 80 if I do prime factors, 2 into 40, 2 into 20, so 2 into 2 into 5. So 2 times 2, so 1, it's 2 again, root 5. So it is 4 root 5 units. So AB is 2 root 5, BC is 2 root 5 and AC is 4 root 5. So if we'll check for collinear here, AB distance is 2 root 5, BC is again 2 root 5, AC is 4 root 5. So 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5 is 4 root 5 equals 4 root 5. Therefore, the 3 points are collinear. So 3 poles are in straight line. Here the 3 poles A, B and C are in straight line because they are collinear.